see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move.
Alright guys, so today I'm just going to take you with me. We're going to get things cleaned up. I have a ton of laundry that I need to get started and folded and everything. I do need to change the sheets on my bed and then go into the girls' room and clean up in there. I also want to do the bathrooms. But before we get started, I just want to show you a couple things that I recently got from Amazon that I thought were pretty helpful. So I got these nail teas. They are like Q-tips, but they're really pointy at the end. You can see right there. And I'm going to be giving myself a manicure. You can see, so bad. But I also got this huge pack off of Amazon, which is just like a buffers, nail files, toe separators. There's also some nail brushes in there, and the girls have already opened it and used it for themselves, but I am planning on giving myself a little mini mani tonight, so I'm going to be using those. But they were so cheap, and honestly, after being home for like 3-4 months now and not going into the salon, I'm not even sure I'll ever go back into the salon. Okay, I was going like 2 times a month. Whenever I could find an hour for myself, I would go and get my toes and my nails done. And now it just seems like it was a big waste. I mean, I've been living without it for 3 or 4 months and I'm doing fine. So I did want to just pick up some basic supplies for things like that. And the only thing I probably do need is some new nail polish. So if you guys have some recommendations, then please leave them for me, because I'm always looking for some fun, good quality nail polish. So leave those for me in the comment section. All right guys, I'm gonna put you on my tripod, and we are going to get started in my room by changing the sheets on my bed.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave.
was in the hallway. I brought it up here into my tall dresser, and I moved this picture to this corner. I just love the message. What feels like the end is often the beginning. And then I just added my candle here from Bath and Body Works, just to give it something a little extra today. I don't know, try it out and see, but so far I really like it.
We can always stay a little longer. We don't have a plan. Just let me live a little younger than I really am. We've got nothing here to save us from ourselves. Let's live life like it's made up. Jump in the wishing well. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. 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 We are wanderers, we are wanderers, we are wanderers, we are wanderers. We're wanderers. They're wanderers. We're wanderers. They're wanderers. Nothing can stop us.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.
So at this point in the day, I realized that I was getting really hungry and kind of low energy, so I came down to make myself a quick lunch. I just used some rotisserie chicken salad from Sam's Club, and I believe you can find the same one at Walmart. And I just wrapped it up in a warmed up tortilla, and on the side I had a tomato and cucumber salad left over from the night before, and I just added some champagne vinaigrette, and it was the perfect little lunch that I needed to keep my energy, and it's super light and healthy.
below. It's a little lonely, but it will be the only thing that isn't perfect. I could say it won't be regrets of 10 million faces. You were the one I just couldn't forget. Don't you worry, I am on your side. Want to love even a broken smile. Would you like to stay till dawn? I know it's late, but I'm still hanging on. The lights are out, the city sleeps. You and me is everything we need. I don't want to be lonely, but it will be the only thing I fear with us two. Tell me, would you like to let me in and stay there? Isn't this what your heart wants? And there, don't you worry, I am on your side.
Thank you so much for clicking on this thumbnail and for joining me today. I really hope I was able to give you a few minutes of just some normalcy and some regular routine, and for some motivation. I know things are a little bit crazy now in the news, and it can seem sometimes a little overwhelming, and sometimes just doing the basic things and staying on top of your schedule can really help with feelings of anxiety or feeling overwhelmed. So I'd love it if you leave me a comment below. Let me know how you're doing. And if you're new, I would love it if you subscribed and became a part of my family. Guys, leave me a like if you enjoyed this cleaning motivation. It helps my channel out a lot, and subscribing also supports my channel a ton. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.